Adding or editing products and services is an essential step to getting yourself set up in ServiceMonster 6. So let's go ahead and walk through it together. Follow me to Settings, and in Settings is where you'll find the place to edit or add new products and services. They are separate buttons in our system, but when you click on them, they look basically the same on the inside, so we'll just look at services today. Let me just take a pause right here to let you know about a couple things. If you already had products and services and you included that information in your data import when you first started with ServiceMonster 6, this list is where you'll find those products and services already in your system. Sometimes editing is necessary post-import, so go here to edit that information. Simply click on the service or product to make edits accordingly. If you're in the stage of just importing your data to ServiceMonster 6, we offer and will email you an Excel spreadsheet where you can fill out all your products and services information so we can accurately import that into your ServiceMonster 6 for you. You just have to email us at support@servicemonster.net to request that spreadsheet, and we'll send it to you. If you want to create new products and services, click on this New button at the top. Let me go ahead and explain what all the features of this pop-up mean. Name is pretty straightforward. What's the name of the service? Quick code is an area to create a code word for your product or service. So for example, if it was family room, instead of typing out family room as a whole, you could just write, and that's how it will appear in your system from here on out. Group. This is the same thing as income accounts in QuickBooks. It classifies and categorizes your product or service. Be sure that the group name is exactly the same as whatever name you have for it in your accounting system, whatever you use. Subgroup is like group. It just further categorizes your product or service. Unit refers to the unit amount of your product or service. Is it square foot, or is it by the gallon, etc. Active tells your system whether or not this product or service is active, so you can uncheck that or check that as necessary. Commission refers to, is this always a commissionable item? If it is, leave it checked. If not, uncheck it. Add to favorites, think of this like your top 5. So if you want this service in your top 5 items, go ahead and check that. If not, leave it unchecked. Average time just refers to the average time it takes to complete this service. So say you have carpet cleaning and you know carpet cleaning usually takes a couple hours. You could say 2 hours, or you could write 1 to 2 or whatever you have. So let's move down into line item defaults. This is what will auto-populate when you go to fill out a work order under the specific service name. Quantity. For the most part, you're going to keep this at 1. This simply refers to the amount in relation to the price per quantity. So in price, how much does that one item cost? Is it $10 per 1 bottle? Or 47 cents per 1 square foot? Check upsale if you always want this to be an upsale item. Check locked if you want the price on this item to be locked so technicians or employees cannot change it on the field. Check taxed. Is this product or service always taxable? At the end, you have the option to click Save to finish, or Save and New to save this product or service, and then go right into adding a new one into your system. If you're in the middle of creating a new order and find you haven't created a specific product or service ahead of time, you can create them on the fly. So let me show you how to do that. Follow me to Orders, All Orders, and New Order. I'm going to create an example order here. So once I've clicked on New Work Order, I just simply click Done to get to the order page. So here we are creating a new work order. I'm adding line items. And notice it's going to give you the option to add a new service or add a new product. When I click on it, it creates the same pop-up as before. That's all I have for products and services. Stay tuned to learn how to add or edit taxes in ServiceMonster 6. And remember, if you have any more questions, you can re-watch this video at any time or call our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.